Well, at least the banjo music is going out of my radio.
How about T-Bone, Big Joe in Virginia? Maybe he broke a string.
Yeah, maybe he broke a string, huh? And I heard you up in there a little bit. I did there, Big Joe. A little Big Joe up there in Virginia. I had a little copy on you. I did, my friend. I'm waving for and one right your way. Why, Motor Machine? I just ended one gate and started another one. Hey, you just keep starting them off good for me there, Motor Machine. This will be the third gate you on.
Yeah, I'm on it. Don't get back on T-Bone in the bayou. Don't get back on T-Bone in the bayou. The Buckeye state is gone.
I heard you in the Buckeye. I couldn't pull out your handle. I heard you in the Buckeye. I just couldn't pull it all out, but I'll sit back here and try again. Come on.
Right back, T-Bone, I said sledgehammer, like I'm swinging this hammer, Mr. Sledgehammer, mobile and Buckeye.
10-4 Roger there. Sledgehammer in the Buckeye. I heard you that time. I did, my friend. Sledgehammer in the Buckeye. Your friend on this end in the dirty, dirty South. T-Bone with the 4-1 afternoon wave.
Right back, T-Bone, you sounding good in my neighborhood, man. West Virginia boy. I wonder if the steaks are ready. Are the steaks ready yet? Are those steaks ready? Motor Machine go.
Man, look, Motor Machine, I got the wrong handle, man. I be back here seeing T-Bone all day long, and then I get hungry. And I'm probably making everybody else out there hungry. I keep saying T-Bone, 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 and they all getting hungry. Am I around Florida?
Yes, sir.
No, I'm in South Louisiana. Del Break.
Damn, man, you sound good. Damn, I tried this other video. I'm on my general lead. That's all I know.
Yeah, I got you in there a little bit better on your General Lee, man. I got you in there either Mother Nature playing around, or I just got you in there a little bit better on the General Lee.
Hey, T-Bone, pick up your breaker. I'm Motor Machine. I'm listening out here in the Carolinas, Greensboro. I've got 2 radios.
10-4 Roger there, Motor Machine. 10-4 Roger there, Motor Machine. How you doing, your duck-looking thing coming out of that mobile, man? What you running in that mobile? A 4-pill or what? What you running there, Break? On the Wilson 5000 and the home brewed 4-pill, man. What kind of striker you got? The SR10 there? That's what kind of striker antenna you got?
Yeah, I think the SR10. I can hook that up. I think the striker might be. I think this one is better than the striker. Hey, if you can hear me, this one is better than the striker. This Wilson, I'm on a Wilson 5000, but I can't hook the striker up. I'm running a magnetic mount bow. But I might put the strike on. It don't even really matter to me. This may have a little bit more SWR. The striker is low on SWR, but shit, it don't matter to me, Bray.
Look, them strikers, man. I done seen them striker antennas get down, man. I done seen them striker antennas get down. Now, maybe that don't work in your case. In your case, maybe the Wilson 5000 is doing better, man. But I like them strikers, man, for sure.
Yeah, I can't hook. I'm moving right now. I'm moving a little bit. I'm turning south, and I'm still getting you in here. I might put that striker on here and just try it. But I like the Wilson 5000. I don't know. I guess it's just sledgehammer just swung this mobile in Louisiana, Bray.
Yeah, 10-4 Roger, man. Yeah, I mean, I try to strike out, man. I hope we still got conditions when you try to strike out, man, because them strikers will definitely get down. The Wilson 5000s will get down too, man. There ain't no doubt about that. But I'd like to see the difference between the striker and the Wilson.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it with you. I'm gonna switch it out. I'm gonna hook the other antenna up to try that right quick.
10-4 Roger, my brother. I'll be back here reading the mail and waiting.
I don't have real good conditions on the pile, but I did hear Mr. Worldwide Spark Plug doing his thing. Have a great day to you, Jack Hammer. And Mr. Spark Plug, hope you're having a God-blessed day down there on the sand pile. Have a good day to you. And just like this I got now.
Well, hello.
How you doing this evening?
Oh, we making it, we making it. We can't complain, because the person you complain to is either worse off than you are, or they going to talk about you when you walk away.
I ain't saying Lord. 21 back to you.
10-4 Roger there, 21 top of this afternoon, my friend. Your T-bone with a crawfish with a mini skirt with the afternoon waves.
I ain't saying more T-bone. Sounding good up here in the Carolinas. We're gonna back hold on here. You have a good day. Bye.
10-4 Roger there, 21. Have a good day your way, my friend. You and the family have a fine one. For me and mine, and you and yours. Your T-bone said it on Buckeye.
T-bone, I'm on the strike antenna.
10-4 Roger on the strike antenna, man. Ain't really much difference. It's all about the same. On my end, anyway, they'll break. Oh, good Jesus. I got almost 9 dBs of this banjo music now. Well, all right, y'all. I'm going to wrap this gate up. The grandbaby's sleeping and everything. So I don't want to wake him up. The T-Bone and the BYU says I'm going to wrap this gate up. If anybody wants to do it for me in fine style, now's your chance. T-Bone, say, come on.